In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Monopoly Go error in just 5 minutes. If you've ever found yourself getting frustrated with errors when trying to enjoy a game, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we'll go through some simple steps to troubleshoot these issues and get you back in the game smoothly. First, let's dive right in by opening your device's App Store. This could be either the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device, or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Opening your App Store is a crucial first step because many issues with games, like Monopoly Go, can stem from not having the latest version installed. Updates often come with important patches and fixes that resolve known bugs and errors. Now that you have the App Store open, head to the search bar and type in Monopoly Go. This search will bring up the game along with any relevant details, including whether a new version is available for download. If you're experiencing issues with the game, there's a high chance that an update might be the simple solution you're looking for. Once you've found Monopoly Go in the search results, look for an update button. It's generally located right next to the game's name and icon. If your version of Monopoly Go is out of date, tapping Update will begin downloading and installing the latest version. This process is usually quick, but it depends on your internet connection speed. Having the latest version ensures you have all the newly released improvements and corrections, which might resolve issues you've been facing. If the update button doesn't appear, it means you're already using the latest version. In that case, try closing the app completely and reopening it, as sometimes a fresh start can do wonders. It's like giving your game a little refresh to clear up any temporary glitches. In this video, we focused on updating the app, which is a straightforward and often effective method to fix errors. However, if you find that updating doesn't resolve your issue, there might be other factors at play, such as needing to clear the app's cache, ensuring a stable internet connection, or restarting your device. Hopefully, these steps help you get back to enjoying Monopoly Go without a hitch. Remember, keeping your apps up to date is one of the best ways to prevent errors and ensure a smooth gaming experience. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!